Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people like to use pickled things in their cooking. For example, salted green plums are used to make a variety of delicacies, such as plum chicken or plum pork chops. The best quality plums come from Guoxing Township in Nantou. These plums are also used for making Japanese plum wine. Each March, Guoxing Township holds the Lushen Hakka Festival. Visitors can buy some salted plums and take them home for gifts.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿炳哥 Leo。
大家好，我係 Tim Berge。Hey, Leo, last month it was Chinese New Year's. We had a lot of food to eat. I think it's time for us to kind of tune things down a little bit. So do you have any ideas to have some good food but not so filling?
可以啊，没问题哈。我介绍大家就是梅子，用梅子来做菜，其实那感觉跟平常吃的大鱼大肉是完全不一样的哦。
是啊，那是梅子，所以 we're going to be eating plum. That sounds very interesting. 那梅子要怎么吃呢？
梅子我先教大家怎么讲梅子客家话叫做抹叶。
就是梅子，就是 plum， OK？
是的，梅子可以煮梅子鸡
就是 OK？
对，抹叶鸡就是鸡的意思，
鸡就是鸡，就是 chicken。
梅子还可以做那个梅子酒，像日本很流行的梅子酒啊，那个
对
香香甜甜的那种。
好，梅子酒那就是 plum wine。
在我们讲到梅子呢，在台湾产梅子的地方主要是集中在台湾的南投县的国姓乡。我先教大家怎么讲。南投县桂香乡。
好，那这就是南投县的国姓乡，是不是？
对，
国姓 Township in Nantou County, which is kind of between central and southern Taiwan. So you're saying that's a very famous place for producing plums.
超啊！像南投县的国姓乡其实它不单是梅子很出名，而且南投县它养了很多的水鹿，所以呢，台湾有另外一种东西是可以拿来做酒的，就是泡酒的，就是鹿茸。
Okay, so you're saying another famous thing in the Nantou area are the many deer they have, and they can use the deer antlers, the 鹿的角，
对，
去酿酒，是不是啊？
是。最后，如果大家到那个南投县的国姓乡的时候，记得就可以买蛋鹿带回去哦。
什么是蛋鹿？
蛋鹿就是客家话的礼物的意思。
礼物了。当然了，你去一个好地方，当然也要买一些礼物给好朋友了。
超啊。
Okay, that's it for another Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家爱子谁？
张罗了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.